Every tide brings change. But not every change is kind. Along Karnataka's 320-kilometer coast, the sea has been our shield, our living defense line. But today, the tide brings something else. 50 tons of plastic every single day. That's 18.25 million kilos a year. 60% of this coastline's litter is plastic. It's in the sand, in the water, in the food chain, and in the parts of creatures who've returned here for centuries. But tides can turn, because change begins with a choice. And Karnataka is choosing action. For 3 years, across 50 villages, Sattva Group, Knowledge Realty Trust, and rePurpose Global are building a coastline that lets nothing slip through the cracks. Not plastic, not livelihoods, not hope. Formal waste systems of 80,000 homes, stable income for 200 waste workers. Millions of kilos are recovered each year. A coastline restored by 2029. Sattva has always built for skylines. Today, we build the coastline too, because time wasted on waste is time well wasted.